How to download Predictor Aviator on iOS or Android. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. So if you're new to using the Aviator Predictor app and you want to go ahead and know how to get this on your device, this is the right video for you. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to your browser because this is where we can go ahead and get the Aviator Predictor app, not on the official downloader applications like the App Store or Google Play Store. Basically, once inside, you want to search for the Aviator Predictor APK. And from here, you want to select the APK Pure website. Once inside, scroll down, click on Download APK. And from here, you can just go ahead and click on the Download APK once more. Right after, the APK will now start downloading on your device, and you can just go ahead and click on Download anyway. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.